LinkedIn Marketing Basics. LinkedIn. Whenever that word comes to our mind, we think of a social media channel that revolves around professionalism and business-oriented minds. And this is what LinkedIn is. Founded in 2002, and later bought by Microsoft, LinkedIn has been doing what it envisioned to do in the first place, becoming a go-to social media platform for business professionals. There are currently 450+ million users on LinkedIn, and most of them are professionals. But the question is it really a great resource for B2B marketers? According to LinkedIn stats, it is. A lot of marketers currently give more edge to LinkedIn compared to other social platforms. Why is that? There must be a reason why B2B marketers consider LinkedIn to be a better option for generating quality leads. And we are here to answer this very question of yours. LinkedIn marketing is all about business. You might already know this, but you should be completely clear that LinkedIn is all about business. LinkedIn is made to share business-related information around your network, and that is what you should be doing here. Unlike other social media channels like Facebook or Instagram, you will rarely find someone posting their photos or personal experiences here. Most of the content that you will find on someone's LinkedIn profile will be endorsements, skills and certifications, education and diplomas, work experience, etc. It's more like an immersive web-based resume that's there for the world to see. The same goes for businesses or brands that want to portray what they are all about, but not to customers, rather clients of corporate value, and to enterprises that are interested in their product/service. This is one of the reasons why your business should be promoted on LinkedIn. As for the marketers, it's a gold mine who know how to really profit from LinkedIn's remarkable system. It's a pool of clients. LinkedIn is by far the best platform to find potential leads, and that's why most marketers value LinkedIn over other social media platforms. The reason is simple. Most users that are on LinkedIn are there for business/professional reasons. They rarely spend their time on LinkedIn, but when they do, they are looking for something that will solve their problem. Your product or service could be the solution they have been looking for. Unlike other social media platforms, the chances of a visitor coming to your profile, becoming a lead, are more likely to happen than on any other social media platform. In time, you will learn that LinkedIn actually encourages you to promote your product/service by in-mailing to your potential buyers. This is something that other social media platform discourages to do, and paid ads are the only way to reach potential clients. But plucking them up from a large audience is always a hassle. With LinkedIn, you can directly send a message to your potential customer by what LinkedIn calls in-mail. It's one of the paid features of LinkedIn, and it's widely used among marketers. Although monthly subscriptions to LinkedIn are the way to go, its features are still limited by barriers to prevent spamming. To counter that, there are great automation tools that can come in handy when you seek to do more in less time. If you want to learn more, then check out Linked Assist by clicking here. That part of paid membership is a talk of its own, so let's move on ahead. It's basically a multi-platform. By multi-platform, we mean that it has more to offer than other social media channels. With LinkedIn, you can create a brand-oriented profile for a company or business, as well as your own professional profile. You can also use LinkedIn Pulse for creating content, which can act as a blog as well, and there is still much more you can do on LinkedIn. This is also one of the many reasons why marketers prefer LinkedIn over other social media platforms. It is due to its diversified system, where you could end up collecting a lot of quality leads that will surely deliver better conversion rates than those of other social media platforms. Final verdict. In conclusion, LinkedIn is the way to go if you're a marketer who is looking to spend less money on marketing budget and get more quality leads that convert well. Remember, quality triumphs quantity, and technically speaking, LinkedIn does the same when you're taking it as a B2B marketing platform, or even B2B, considering that your buyer persona is easy to be found there. That's it for today, but we will be updating our blog with better ways on how you can profit from marketing on LinkedIn, so stay in touch by subscribing to our newsletter. Comment below about your thoughts and opinions if you have any regarding our blogs and articles. If you are looking to automate your LinkedIn marketing, then you should check our LinkedIn Automation Chrome extension, linked Assist here.